didn't want to come this time.
Mum took him out in the back garden for ablutions, and he immediately made a beeline for the sewing room.
Yeah.
But then she wouldn't let him in, so now he's just like, well, no, absolutely not.
It's horrible out there.
It's not nice.
It's horrible.
It's really not very nice at all.
Yeah.
Mum's been at church this morning.
Yeah.
They are off out for birthday lunch with Susan after we've done calendars.
Birthday lunch for Danny and Susan.
Oh, it's a joint one because Dad's is on Tuesday.
Yeah.
What's on Tuesday?
Your birthday.
You.
Oh,
But we've got to say the thing.
every day.
Every day.
Every day.
Ready?
Merry Vlogmas!
Yes. Everyone's so excited that you're saying it. We are actually
I don't think so.
Read the comment section.
Yeah.
We are opening day 9 today.
Are we?
We are
Horrible.
day 9. It's on the little doggy's face.
Oh, look, Kai. It's here.
What's in here? Stinky stuff.
Ooh, lots today. Ooh.
He's been coming into the office and doing his little begging trick at me. He's like, I want to be on the lap. And the minute he's on the lap, he's like, I don't want to be on the lap anymore.
Yeah, you're such a good boy. You're a good boy. That's it, isn't it?
Okay, my turn.
Now it's Sean's turn.
So door number 9.
Oh, it's
Oh look, it's already been opened and the packet is empty because I've already had my hot chocolate this morning. It was the ginger one.
Oh, she's bad.
Well, my morning hot chocolate is how I have my collagen, which I usually do first thing, and I'm not doing that at the moment, which is becoming a problem. So I snuck down because I didn't think we were going to get to do calendars today, so I snuck down, and so I've planted evidence.
Never mind.
But it was delicious, and there was a taste test, which you will see in a minute. And hopefully the sound will be slightly better on the taste test because I brought my microphone up to the main house. I've actually only got 2 ports left on the studio now.
Really?
That's what my port extension's all about.
Yes, but the one of the big things about the Mac Studio is
You
it's
shouldn't
got
need
all
any.
these ports. But yeah, I'm definitely going to need the port extension. I've got one as well, so yeah, we'll probably
The
end up.
camera and the microphone could go in that.
Well, the camera and the microphone are specifically in the USBs that are provided for that rate of data transfer.
Oh, right.
Because there's Thunderbolt 5s and then there's USB ports, so that yeah. They've thought of everything. Although the one thing that they have messed up, they put the headphone jack on the back.
Oh, so
Which
you've got to have
you've
it.
got to have the headphone. If you have wired headphones, the headphone jack is on the back, which is silly, and everybody has said that's silly.
Oh.
But it's very nice having the micro SD card reader.
It
or
is
the...
Wi-Fi as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've got wireless headphones coming that have got 60 hours lifespan on them.
You've got them coming.
Yes. They were £25. I bought them the other day because I love listening to you and Mum watch TV at night, but it's very distracting. And I would imagine me burbling away in the background, repeating myself on and off is very annoying for you guys as well.
Don't hear it, do you? Not so far.
That's all right then.
Not so far.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Now this had to be torn out apparently,
Oh.
so we're going to be using it somewhere.
Okay, I'm going to take these bits.
Yes.
Okay, story time. That was yesterday's
Right.
present.
Well, the cube has fallen. Not really. I mean, we went in the back door, didn't we?
We bypassed the cube.
Yeah. You cheer as Klaus confidently steers the spaceship out of the cubus.
Yay.
The last stop definitely had its tricky moments. Nostalgia, from which you are abruptly torn when Klaus jerks the control stick to the left, then right, then left again. You are roughly thrown from side to side. Action.
Ooh!
Left,
Ooh.
right, left. Oh, we look like we're on the original Star Trek.
You look and immediately understand the reason for the rapid flight manoeuvres. A hail of meteorites. Meteoroids.
Oh.
Meteoroids?
Yeah.
Meteoroids. Sounds like hemorrhoids. Rains down on you. The race management idea of safety leaves a lot to be desired, complains Klaus.
It does.
And I'm not happy.
You are just out of shot. There we go. You want to see the whole of your face.
Ah.
Are you feeling tiny, Mum?
You'd better tell me how we can get out of here alive, you reply, with barely suppressed panic in your voice. We need an emergency plan.
Right.
We need a cunning plan.
We need a cunning plan.
Yes, I have one. Klaus calls from the front. We have to tap into the surveillance satellite. meteorites. If we know the trajectories of the meteoroids, we can plan a way out of here. Until then, I'll find cover. With these words, Klaus skillfully steers the craft into the slipstream of a particularly large meteoroid.
Okay.
Right, we should be safe here for the moment until we can calculate an escape route. In the meantime, record the positions of the meteoroids on this map. You should be able to place them precisely using the photos from the 4 surveillance satellites.
I'm guessing that must be...
Now open door 9.
Kai, I love you dearly, but you are slightly in the way.
Come on,
Oh,
sweetie.
look.
Should we get out of the way? Right. You happy?
And there is a code.
There's a code.
Yes.
And there is door 9.
Door 9. Here we go.
Oh, no. He's like, is it treats for me? It's not treats for you, Kai. Oh, there's a balloon.
Oh no, that's from a different one,
Oh no.
I think. Behind you'll find 6 riddle cards, 1 to 6, and 9 strange items.
But no balloon.
Meteoroids.
I'll tuck the balloon away. There we
Okay.
go. Balloon is gone. There we go. Oh, they're cute.
Yeah, meteoroids.
Yeah.
There are 4 satellites in the vicinity of the Milky Way. The satellites can see meteoroids at a range of up to 3 spaces. This does not apply to the Sun. The Sun is visible from any distance. And there's a code.
Oh, I see. So we've got to work out which view each of these is coming from. Yes, that's right. Oh, code.
Oh, right.
Okay, did we get that right? No, not remotely.
Or could it be, hang on.
Where did you get that from? Oh, is it the amount of asteroids in
Yeah, 513.
Okay, hang on. React again.
I'm genius.
Thank you. I turned it off just as his
I
like,
applied logic.
yeah. Well, I applied logic too. I just
I
went for
know.
the negative, not the positive.
That was weird.
Oh, I liked that one. Hang on, we're nearly done. He's putting his meteoroids away. Okay, well in that case we've got one more bit to do. So,
All right.
yeah.
That's number 10.
Number 10.
Right.
Well,
We can do that.
I will tidy up after
Okay,
them because
cheerio.
they have to run
Out
away
into the wet.
and go and have more fun. Are
Yes.
you taking the dog with you?
Yes.
No.
Oh, you can.
No, I mean to
Yeah.
the house. Are you
All
taking?
right.
Do you want me to?
Yes, please.
Yes.
He wants to follow you.
Come on.
He does not want to go out in the wet. I don't blame him. It's not nice out there. So, yes, I mean, I've come down here now. So I probably ought to stay down here and do things, but I'm in the middle of the piping video and I'm actually enjoying it. So I'm going to go back up and do that, but I do want to come back down here, as you will hear in a second, and at least get Dad's present cut out today, and then I can get it sewn tomorrow. That is the order of operations. It doesn't really necessarily... No, that is the tasks for the day. It doesn't necessarily matter the order of operations. Words are hard, I know what I mean. So yes, that is the plan. I will now cut to me enjoying hot chocolate, and then fingers crossed I will be back a bit later down here to show you the fabric that I've got to work with for Dad's present. I will see you in a bit. I'm going to leave the memory card in the camera, which means I have to come back down here to retrieve this footage. So that is my way of making sure that the actual cutting out happens today. Let's see if this is successful. Okay, so I have a mic plugged in and theoretically everything's working. We shall see how that goes. It's a very rainy day today. I have my hot chocolate because, as I mentioned, I have my collagen powder in this and I'm used to having it first thing in the morning, and it's obviously now dependent on calendars, so I've cheated today. I've gone down and got mine. It's the ginger one, which is delicious. This is definitely one that I would get more often. Highly recommend. Anyway, I have a tiny little puppy floating around my feet. Hi baby, do you want to come say hi? He can't decide if he wants to come up or not. You want to come say to the Peeps? Say hello. Yes, he's getting a haircut tomorrow. It's desperately needed because he really is channeling his inner Highland cow, aren't you? Yeah, you're very beautiful. So anyway, I was going to go down to the studio because I have got a project to work on. I've got 2 days to get it done, so I'm not panicking yet. But it's absolutely miserable out there, and Dad has very kindly been down here and turned the heating on in this room, so it's cozy in here. So I'm going to wait till it stops peeing down with rain and then go down to the studio and start working on that project. I would like to at least get it cut out today because I can get it sewn in a day easy, so I will get that done tomorrow. But it would be nice to have it cut out so I don't have to do both in one day. So I am going to get on with editing the piping tutorial, and I have been dreading that because there's over 8 hours of footage, and now I'm actually kind of looking forward to it. Are you looking forward to it? You're just horrified that you're on a lap, aren't you? But you can't decide you neither want to be on a lap or down on the floor. The cats are both asleep. So yeah, I'm going to get on and do that. So I shall see you all in a bit. I have a helper She very much enjoys watching rain droplets fall down the windows. It's fascinating, apparently. I like that you've come to sit with me. Hello. That is not a cat shellfish, Kiaka. That's also not a cat toy. Sweet Pea, you're not being helpful. Everyone's being very cute and distracting. The only one I don't have in here is Maximus. But I'm worried. Max, that's a really interesting sitting position. It's a very, like, it doesn't look comfy. I'm sorry, I shouldn't be putting your butt on the internet, should I? Oh, big stretch. As long as you're comfy. Oh, are you coming up? Thinking about it? Hi. This is also not going to help me do any work, is it? But I have put on your favourite dressing gown. Okay, I put on some cat TV for Max. Yeah, all the sounds coming out of the studio. Well, I'm thoroughly amused. We did have a slight disaster earlier. Oh. Izzy worked her way up from that shelf to that shelf, and I was just about to start recording her trying to make her way up there, and she just pulled everything off and fell on the desk. Thankfully nothing was damaged, including Izzy. Yeah, that was fun. This is probably dangerous, but Max seems to be enjoying himself. He definitely prefers the bunnies. Interesting. I am loving working up here, but I'm also finding that I have creatures to contend with. I don't know if you can... Yeah, this one was just trying to get on my lap, which was lovely, but she walked all over the keyboard to do it, and she did something that I have no idea what she did, but everything froze. Max is being much better behaved. He is on the seat, and then Kai's in a little puddle out there. But Izzy is creating havoc, bless her. She's wanting to try and get in everything, and I'm not sure. No, and she's off, so that's good. It did get a little cold once the sun went in, so I have come and put my dressing gown on, even though the heat is still at 22. Fun times. I'm editing the piping tutorial. I filmed the intros and outros quite a while after I finished the actual construction of things. There's one outro for a specific segment that I've fluffed up, and I'm hoping I'm going to be able to edit it in such a way that I don't need to refilm it, but I may have to refilm it. That's not the end of the world. But yeah, we've got so much footage. I think it's so much fun. It's going to be fine. It's going to be totally fine. But yeah, I don't think I'm going to get back down there because it's just been miserable outside all day, which makes it very cold down there. Sorry, the camera's right above you, so I'm having to get used to looking right up there. It's much higher than I'm used to, so I will get better at it, because otherwise it looks like I'm just kind of looking down. Yes, it's been miserable outside, and I was waiting for a break in the weather to go out and go down to the studio and get Dad's bag cut out, and I have not done that. It is only 25 past 4, so I might still do that, but I also know it's really cold down there, and whilst it's not warm up here, it's warmer, so that may or may not happen. We shall see. Back to the piping tutorial, because I think this is going to turn out quite good. I think. Fingers crossed. We shall see. She's just out of shot. This is going to be a fabulous occupational hazard. I can live with this. She's purring and kneading. It's so cute. But I need to do some work, baby. She's so tiny. Happy. I smell of cheese, don't I? I have absolutely no idea how this is comfortable, but she is purring and she seems happy. And I'm just about able to work at the same time, which is great. It's going stick. I can't think of how to start this. I went into autopilot last night and it got to 9 o'clock and I just went to bed. I completely forgot to say goodnight to you guys in any shape or form. So I am down here this morning doing that. So I will see you all tomorrow for present making, more calendars, and a freshly groomed puppy. I shall see you then. Bye.